Welcome back. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you for coming to hang out with me for a few moments. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And as always, please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. And please leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see from the description, this is not really an unboxing. This is just me sharing. I'm super excited. I finally own an Urban Decay palette. I have heard great things about their formulas and their products, and I decided, yep, it was time. So when I was looking, I came across their Elements palette and instantly knew this was the one. So I'm excited to see in person. I do also have the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I don't usually use eyeshadow primer, but I have heard that it really does help, so I figured I would give it a try. So there is that guy, but the star of the show is in here. So let's take a look. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Y'all, I mean, really gorgeous. That is so beautiful, and it's just the packaging. Do I get excited about silly things, or is that packaging not just like the most beautiful ever? Okay, let me actually look at the shadows. Holy moly at that mirror. Y'all, this whole thing is a mirror. It is huge. Wow, okay. Ooh, I thought I broke it. All right. Oh, about took my breath away. I think I did get a little flushed. This palette, y'all. Now, most of you guys know when I say y'all, something either smells fantastic or is gorgeous. So, y'all. How gorgeous. And you see how many shimmers there are. Oh. Is this not beautiful? Oh my goodness. Y'all, for real. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh. The names of these colors: Dreamweaver, Moonrock, Firestarter, Lioness, Volcanic, Elemental, Fool's Gold, Earthbound, Secret Keeper, Silver Burn, Antidote, Electric Air, Sapphire Dream, Fortune Teller, Heavy Water, Hex Remedy, Luna. Oh, I'm just... You guys, oh my goodness. These are so beautiful. These two green shades right here are like gorge. These down here, this like tealish color, are you kidding me? And then we've got some neutrals, and this, the glitter, the sparkle is just phenomenal. You guys, I'm almost speechless. Like, I obviously have, you know, different palettes, and I've seen some really pretty palettes, but this one is just like, this one is, yes. And then, like I said, this packaging is so gorgeous too. Like, I will reach for this quite a bit, I can already tell you. I think this packaging is just gorgeous. And I'm excited to actually try an eyeshadow primer. So these together I think are going to be... That's what I'm hoping anyway. Sorry, I'm a bit goofy. You guys know how I can be. So this is the Urban Decay Elements palette. I am so excited to finally have an Urban Decay palette to add to my collection. Especially this gorgeous one. So let me know down in the comments, do you guys have this palette? Do you have other Urban Decay palettes? What do you think of their formulas? What do you think of this palette? Do you think it is as gorgeous as I do? Like, I'm just like so excited about it. Let me know how your day is going. Again, I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Please do give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And like I said, if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.